Hello everyone, my name is Aarti Chauhan, Assistant Professor in CSC Department at RPIIT Bastada, Karnal. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the packet switching fundamentals in computer network. A network is a collection of interconnected systems. In a network we have one-to-one communication. To resolve this, one of the solution is to make point-to-point connection between the each pair of system or connecting centralized system to every other system, like using star topology. But still this is not a cost effective as number of system grows and it is limited to small distance between interconnected system. So to overcome the difficulty to connect the systems or devices, we use a packet switching method. Here you can see the diagram of switched network. A solution to the above problem is switching. A switched network consists of a series of interlinked devices called switches. It is a device which can create a temporary connection between two or more systems linked to the switch. In switched networks, some of the nodes are system and other are used for routing. The AND system are labeled A, B, C, D and so on, and the switches are labeled with in Roman countings the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Each switch is connected to the multiple links. In computer network there are three type of switching. The first is circuit switched network, the second is packet switched network, and the third one is message switched network. So in this video we will discuss only the circuit switched network. In circuit switched network, a dedicated path is needed to communication between the AND system and the reserved for the duration of the session. Each connection use only one dedicated channel on each link. Each link is divided in N channels by using FTM, means frequency division multiplexing, or TDM, time division multiplexing. Here you can see the diagram of travel circuit switched network. In this video you can see the diagram, one link and N channels and path from A to M. There are three phases. The first phase is setup phase. First of all, two systems need to create dedicated circuit or path for the communication. For example, in figure XXX, when system A need to connect to system M, it sends a setup request and include the address of the M system. To switch I, the switch I finds a channel between the itself and switch second that can be dedicated for this purpose. Switch 1 then send the request to switch 2 and which find a dedicated channel between itself and switch third. Switch third informs system M2 about system A. To establish a path, system M must send an acknowledgement for the request of A. Only after system A receives this acknowledgement, the connection is established. Only end-to-end addressing is required for establishing connection between the two systems. The second phase is data transfer phase. After the establishment of the dedicated path or channels, the two systems can transfer data each other. The third one is a tear down phase. When one of the system needs to disconnect, मतलब जब कम्युनिकेशन सेटअप हो जाता है और डाटा ट्रांसफ़र हो जाता है एक डिवाइस से दूसरे डिवाइस में, तब एक सिस्टम रिक्वेस्ट डालता है कि उसको डिसकनेक्ट करना है. Then a signal is sent to each switch to release the resource. Not efficient because the link is reserved and can't be used by other system during the connection. Minimum delay in data transfer. For example, let us consider how long it takes to send a file of 640 bytes from host A to host B over a circuit switched network. Suppose that all links in the network use TDM with 24 slots and have bit rate 1.536 Mbps. Also suppose that it take 500 milliseconds to establish an end-to-end circuit before A can begin to transmit the file. So how long does it take to send the file? As each circuit has a transmission rate of 1.536 mega Mbps, by 24 is equal to 64 kbps. So it takes us 640 kilobytes. Now 10 second to transmit the file. This 10 second we add the circuit establishment time and giving 10.5 second to send the file. Note that the transmission is independent of the number of links. The transmission time would be 10 seconds if end-to-end circuit passes through one link to 100 links. Thank you.